This is a beautiful, beautiful beech tree on the side of a hill in Wales near Brecon, in Rowan. And somehow we picked up a dog. And if you thought that was good, look at these. They're wonderful. Get a wide view. Ooh. Yeah. You can maybe see see the valley down here, and maybe just be able to see on the other side the ridge over there. And these fir trees up here, but this is a May which is trying to cling on to dear life with no sunshine for its leaves. Desperately clinging on with its roots here. We went for this walk and we sort of picked up this old black lab, and we got to a gate and we thought we won't let him through, because he's not ours. So we blocked the way. So he sort of went back home again. We thought, oh, that's right, he knows the routine. And suddenly he was bouncing along behind us, having gone up and around and over the gate. He knows this route and obviously comes for a walk with people like us who just come for a walk. Where's he gone? And here we have these enormous ash trees, which are rather fantastic. There's a terrible disease going around called ash dieback, so got a branch going out there. So it's rather fantastic to see these huge, huge trees. Oh, I love these little May woods. Oh, there's a bit of hazel or something in there as well. But these sort of gnarly, twisty little things. Oh, a bit of beech, bit of everything really. Just kind of wind blown here, twisted and gnarly. And oh, there's our little friend. Oh, there's Mrs. Rayner. And now we've turned the corner and going up the hill, on the other side of the hill. And this is Talibont Reservoir. He's coming. There's just more exciting smells on this path. These beautiful walls with these lichen on there, and there's the reservoir again. And that's a beautiful view too, isn't it? Are they Highland cattle? I'm not quite sure. Look, harebells, how pretty. It's going to be very windy, but we're at the top. And it's like almost panoramic 360 view, fantastic. These Brecon Mountains, Black Mountains maybe, are they? I'm not sure. I think those are the Black Mountains. So yes, it's the Black Mountains. And what did we say? Menathroid over there. Way in the distance over there, I don't know if you can see it. Just behind that, there's a little conical thing, and that's Sugarloaf Mountain, otherwise known as Eval. So here we have some mushrooms that have been eaten, and here we have the Usk Valley. There's the River Usk down there. Oh, look at the one that hasn't been eaten over here. This is really quite enormous. Oh, look at the size of that. Oh, let me do that. Check. Look at the size of that. That's a big mushroom. Oh, look what's on the path here. A poor old mole. You don't see them very often. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.